Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to review a coffee. This is Simply Nature Organic Extra Bold Coffee. I don't know if I reviewed an organic coffee or not. I'd have to look it up. Extra bold, so I'm thinking that's going to be kind of a dark, bitter kind of a coffee. I would assume. It doesn't say dark. It just says extra bold. And organic, sometimes organic stuff doesn't taste all that great, so I don't know what to expect from this one. But I'm curious to see what it's like. Simply Nature, that brand name sounds familiar to me. Anything else I've reviewed that has said bold in the title, it's strong. It's a stronger product, so I'm expecting it to be a strong taste. Those of you that recycle, I cut my tops. This one here I did the other day. It's the half calf. So I just take my knife and I cut this top on here. Sometimes I do it not too long after I've brewed one. And when you dump it out, occasionally, do you notice that it almost seems like it didn't all get absorbed in water through the brewing process. It seems dry, you know. When you have like let's say a regular coffee pot and you empty the filter, it's all mushed together in a mass of wet coffee. It's not like that in these K-Pods. I don't know if that's normal or not. It makes me sometimes think that I'm not getting the full flavors and strengths that the coffee could provide. Before I got a K-Cup machine, I would cut open the tops and I'd empty the contents into a regular filter for my regular coffee pot. And it seemed fine. These seem okay, but I'm just wondering if I use my little screwdriver to stick in there and swirl it around to get all the stuff out, all the coffee out of there for recycling. But yeah, I was just wondering if you guys experienced that same kind of thing, those of you that cut them open to do recycling. That's what I just kind of made me think, that you could almost reuse the same K-Cup another time. It just didn't seem like it's getting all brewed through, you know. I don't know, I may be wrong. I'm not a coffee scientist or anything, so that's got a pretty good, strong, bold aroma. It smells pretty good. That's a nice roasty aroma. It's pretty dark. Yeah, I don't know if that's working correctly. It looks pretty dark, so it has a decent dark appearance. It's pretty roasty, pretty good roasty aroma. It does have a bold aroma. I'm not really getting that it's organic, so that's a good plus right there. I think organic is healthier for you, isn't it? If you can eat or drink things that are organic. So, all right. So yeah, maybe a little burnt aroma. Light smokiness, a little nuttiness. And for the aroma, that's about all I got to say on that. Let's see what we got on taste, because we want it to be a bold taste as well. Those of you that like stronger type flavors in your coffee. Okay. It's got a bold, strong, roasty flavor. It tastes like the acidity would be high in this. I don't know if the acidity and organic part has anything to do with each other or not, but it tastes like the acidity is kind of high in it. It's pretty good. Yeah, I like that good strong flavor. It's like a dark coffee, but it's even actually a little bit stronger than a dark coffee to me. Let's see. You could say it's close to an espresso type of a flavor. Might be able to say this is a full-bodied coffee. Smoky, roasty, bold, carbony, all that stuff. This is definitely one that can withstand some creamers if you're a creamer person. Very good. Well, let's make a little. Let's add a little lactose type flavor to it. See where that goes. Even though it's strong, bold, a little bitterness, I still don't want to lose my flavor of the coffee, so I'm not going to put a whole lot in there. Usually this doesn't take away from your flavor so much. It just adds a little bit of a milky lactose kind of a taste to it and curves the acidity a little bit. That's for me personally. And that's what it did. There's just a lot of people that just use milk, just use as a regular creamer just for that reason. For those of you that do that, I think you're going to get the desired results on that. If you still like the taste, the coffee taste, that is. So I also add a little flavored creamer. This is my caramel macchiato that I use. And again, like I mentioned, I don't want to add a whole lot of this either. I just want to add just a little sweetness plus a little added flavor to the already flavored of the coffee. There you go, right there. That was good. The caramel is very, very light. You get a lactose and you get that strong, bold coffee there as well. It balanced up really nicely. It's it's a good coffee. It doesn't look like it would be. I mean, it doesn't look exciting. But I'm glad that it met what they said on here, extra bold coffee. So it's extra strong, extra bold flavor. It's good, yeah. And organic, I wouldn't have known. So there you go. All right, I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah, Simply Nature. See you on the next one. Bye.